This is BirdNote. Gettysburg, Antietam, Monocacy. They each hold significance in American history as the sites of decisive battles in the Civil War. But these iconic battlefields have significance for birds, too, as detailed in this letter home from a grasshopper sparrow.
Dear Ma, the grasslands of my forebears are lost to time. Habitat loss has chipped away at our territories until it seems like there is nothing left. Our only refuge is in the historic national battlefield parks.
Okay, so birds aren't sending messages to their families from the front lines. But national battlefield parks are grassland habitats worth writing home about. Tall, grassy fields aren't typically considered beautiful, much less valuable to conserve. Battlefield parks are maintained as historic sites, with the side effect of preserving excellent habitat. Most of the parks are sites of Civil War battles in the eastern U.S., but there are 4 from the Revolutionary War and a handful of others as far off as Michigan and Montana. Today, rather than the roar of cannons, fields like Antietam are filled with the songs of blue grosbeaks, eastern meadowlarks, and of course, grasshopper sparrows. For our grassland birds, these too are hallowed grounds. For BirdNote, I'm Michael Stein.